it's Kim again. I am here in Sharon Schmidt's office in our front lobby of Bavarian Inn. Sharon has worked for the company for 30 years. She will be receiving her service award this year at our team party in January. So I get the pleasure of talking with her. Hi, Sharon.
Hi, Kim.
Sharon, have you ever worked in any other department in all your 30 years?
Well, I've always been a greeter, but I did do scheduling for 15 years.
Yes, that's right. Okay, very good. And what is your favorite part of your job?
Talking to people. Yeah. Anybody that knows me, it's talking.
Sharon, that's Sharon and I are two peas in a pod. Talking to a wall has been described just before. We could, right?
We could.
We could, but we don't.
Yes.
We don't. No,
Not
we
yet.
talk to each other. Not yet. Not yet. That's right. Sharon, in the year 2000, you received what award from the community of Frankenmuth?
It was the most hospitable person of the year. And it was from the Chamber of Commerce it was citywide.
Yes.
And they came in. I thought they wanted a table for lunch. I had no idea.
Yes, and they were giving you and honoring you with this award. You have certainly been the face of our business and the first person that guests see when they walk in the door.
It's true.
We got a nice traffic day today. Can I ask you, what is the most frequently asked question that guests ask when they come into the building?
Okay, I think the thing that gets asked the most is, do you know where the restrooms are?
I believe that, yes, right? Yes.
That's it.
And did you say one of the churches also when we were talking
Oh, there's a
earlier?
lot of things that people want to know. They want to know where St. Lorenz is.
Sure.
And then they want to know the time for Mass Saturday night,
Yes,
for Blessed Trinity, things like that. Where's Memorial Park?
absolutely.
Just, general information.
So Sharon works for the Bavarian Inn Restaurant, and the Chamber of Commerce in Frankenmuth is located right next door to us, and they have this guidebook. I think Sharon has this memorized because she gets all the questions for all of Frankenmuth. One thing that I just wanted to point out too for everyone, this lovely flyer that you are the spokesperson, the absolute most best example of a team member that we have here. We've used Sharon for uniform examples, for hospitality examples, of course, etiquette, just the most wonderful person I have ever met, Sharon. Any plans for retirement, Sharon?
Not right away. I haven't really thought about it yet,
Right. Sherry Denkins said the same thing, and we said with Dorothy being 96, we have a long way to go, don't we?
We do.
We do. Yes.
That's quite an inspiring achievement.
Keeps us going, doesn't it?
Yes.
Yes, absolutely. Well, you're a pleasure to work with, Sharon. Thank you so much for talking with us
Well,
today.
thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much. And next, I'm going to have you follow me down to our Castle Shops, and we're going to find Michelle Turbush, who will be receiving her 25-year service award.